searching for Nanay. Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. I'm searching for Nanay. Where's Nanay? Yeah, so this is our little piggery, but then it's been Terrence has been complaining. So after we raised one pigs here, I think two, we decided not to. So just been a stock room area. Nay! Nas Nanay that Jack. Yes, so I'm going to Jessica and trying to find Nanay. What lagi dito? Yeah, so I'm trying to find Nanay. Where's Nanay? Yeah, and just to give you an update of what they've been doing. They're doing laundry. So this is, they have their moringa is now growing. Jake, naman day mo daghang kabilya. Dala ihatod ni Jake. Yeah, so they have some rebar left. Yeah, so they're doing some laundry and they use their area here for the laundry. Yeah, so this is the shocking event of their house. Their house turns into a flying laundry. Yeah, so but as you notice, they're doing some, I think they use some special paint so that the metal will not be rustic, you know. So they're doing, I forgot what's the name of that, but they're doing it for the, so that it will not be rustic, the metal, because the metal, once it's been rain and sun have been exposed, then it will be rustic. And this is the drum. Huh? Yeah, so this is their practice drum. Nara malagi nagipangita ni Mano nga drum, Jack. Wa din ni kauban? Di magumi mo adto. Magos. Yeah, so Jessica has been talking that they're going to Taliban for doing some okay. If you know okay, it's like a second-hand clothes from other countries and been sold here for very cheap price. But some of that are still in good shapes, you know, are not been used. You know, so they're going there because nga naman, because it's only because it's only 10 pesos. There's 10 pesos, there's 5 pesos, and still in good quality, you know. Yeah, so they're doing laundries here. So this is how their house looks like for the meantime. Yeah, you notice this one, that's why they're doing some special paint, because if not, then the metal will be rustic. Yeah, and then we just realized that the metal, now that we build the church used on metal, that it's not so expensive, although still expensive, but it depends on how you're going to design the building, you know, and you just have few use on that metal. We just decided that in the future, when we're doing some houses, we're gonna use like that, you know, because we got already second-hand welding machines, because right now the wood is really expensive. You're just gonna buy the wood, the tree plus the chainsaw, and there are some wood that is not old enough, so the outcome later on, it's gibok-bok. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like what I did to Manang Lina. I'm gonna do a refrigerator raid. Yeah, so they're doing yeah, so they're doing laundry here. So this is the advantage. There's a washing machine, you know, and it's more quicker and easier compared before that just using hand. Yeah, so their dish, naghalagon yung hot cake, Jake. Yeah, so they have hot cake.
Makaporday ko na. Sara magud nate.
Di pagka.
Sara lagi na.
Salamat. Yeah, so I'm gonna do their refrigerator red. Ay, man inyong suga. I need to